Welcome to another Wall Street Informer production on WSI TV.
Welcome into our Friday edition of WSI TV. I'm Jordan Bishop. As always, I'm joined with Sean Bauer. How are you doing today, Sean?
They're doing awesome, Jordan.
Good. I'm really excited about the topic we've got for you today.
Absolutely. We're talking about penny stocks today, and of course, Jordan's excited because we call him the penny stock king. He's really our penny stock expert around here. And we've been getting a lot of questions from all you guys over, I guess, a variety of topics regarding penny stocks. So I'm just going to be asking Jordan some questions so we can all kind of share the insight here. But I want to start with, why is there such a stigma around penny stocks for some people? Why are some people so scared off from them?
I mean, this is probably the best question and the first question one should ask when approaching penny stocks. People are scared of them because they're known to be volatile. There's many different definitions of penny stocks, which sort of clouds that initial judgment one might have about penny stocks.
Right.
So, I mean, I just think, they have the bad rep because people have been burned too badly by them before.
Sure.
They don't know what they're looking for. So.
Yeah, you hear a lot about pump and dump schemes with all these penny stocks going on, where people just pump up a stock, like you say, and then all of a sudden they're dumping it. So people, the average investor who isn't on the inside, who isn't an insider, gets hurt by it.
Right.
But you alluded to like the different definitions of a penny stock, where I think a lot of people consider like over-the-counter penny stocks the only penny stocks there are. What is your definition of penny stock? Is there a dollar amount?
Yeah, well, when we talk about penny stocks, I mean, I tend to avoid over-the-counter penny stocks unless they look really good.
Right.
But I won't tend to really even look at them for whatever they're worth.
Sure.
But basically, I mean, I like to look at anything under $10. I don't really worry about the market cap because it's not something that I would take into consideration. I mean, yes, it might matter with some trading systems that you might have or other traders might have, but basically anything under $10, that has been around for, I would say at least 4 or 5 years. I wouldn't go with anything under $10 that's, been around for a month. It doesn't make any sense. But
yeah.
$10 are under, a lot of the experts say $5 are under, but
right.
I'd give it that extra $5 to, give yourself some wiggle room.
Sure. And now, so we know that a lot of people have the right idea about penny stocks for the most part. I mean, there are a ton of penny stocks that have this crazy fluctuation action where they're up and down 50% one day to the next. Is there anything that separates these from the type of penny stocks that you like to pick?
Yeah, I mean, as you and I both know, we're chart readers, we're technical analysts. We look at the charts, and you can look at penny stocks, at least the penny stocks that I'm talking about, in the same sense you'd look at a stock market giant like Google or Apple, Amazon. All those stocks, they form trends. We each have our own systems, both differ in various ways, but
sure.
With mine, I'd like to see a penny stock that's behaving well. By that I mean, is following a certain trend that I've been outlining, or
right.
that is sticking above a line of support. So they should have all the same characteristics as your regular stock, in your regular system.
Right.
But the thing I love about penny stocks is that they've got so much higher to climb usually, and they've most of the time have been there before, and they're just down because of market conditions or whatever else is in play. So
yeah, I know. I'm absolutely getting jealous pretty much every week of Jordan whenever we're talking about our different trades, and mine's gone up $1 and only 5%, and Jordan's gone up $1 and it's
right.
something like 40%. That is the power of penny stocks. But whenever it comes to, I guess, trusting a penny stock like you were just talking about, you can trust it like a regular stock. Does anything like volume come into play? Trading or buying volume, I should say.
Yeah, I mean, well, I would say with any stock, really, volume comes into play. I mean, if that's how you work your system. I mean,
right.
We're working on new systems every day here, and we're testing things out. But I mean, I would say volume is important because, I mean, like I said, most of the time the market cap won't be huge, so you can usually tell when there's been a huge buyout. Whereas, like, if like hundreds of millions of shares of a massive company have been bought,
right.
that's most of that company's market cap. You won't see that in penny stocks because they don't have hundreds of millions of shares most of the time. So if you see like tens of millions, you'll know that was a big buy and the insiders are working hard at it.
Right.
So I mean, as far as volume goes, that's sort of how I like to look at it with the penny stocks.
Okay, sure. And just one final question. I know I think it was DGSE, you made something like 40% on that one.
Yeah.
What is your biggest gainer right now, and how much is it up? Do you know?
Yeah, I do have one open at the moment. APPS, I got in at 92 cents. It's up 30% right now.
Yeah.
But I haven't seen any triggers to get out of that one yet. So, you know, I'm going to let it ride. We could be looking at a 60%, 80% gain. So
yeah, 30% is just average for this guy, by the way. Yeah.
Yeah. So you know, thanks for those questions, Sean.
Sure.
Thank you guys for writing in and asking. I always love to talk about penny stocks. If you have any more questions about that or about anything else, please write in. You know, thanks for being with me, Sean.
Of course.
We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching another Wall Street Informer production on WSI TV. Be sure to visit wallstreetinformer.com, where you can become a member for free and gain instant access to the secrets of market millionaires via the Wall Street Informer Vault. So go ahead and claim this gift for free now at wallstreetinformer.com.